Four more years. Four more years.
Donald Trump for 4 more years.
Trump 2020. For USA.
2020.
Trump 2020. Trump 2020. USA. USA. USA.
Thưa quý vị, lại một lần nữa Thành Thảo gửi đến quý vị những hình ảnh rất là sinh động trong cuộc hành trình cùng với nước Mỹ. Hay gọi là trong một không gian gần 1.000 người như quý vị thấy. Từng đoàn xe có những cái lá cờ phất phới của quốc kỳ Hoa Kỳ và những cái quốc hiệu ủng hộ Tổng thống Donald Trump và những bộ áo quần, những chiếc mũ rất là dễ thương quý vị thấy đó. Người Mỹ đã ra đây vào những ngày cuối tuần cùng gia đình như một vui chơi và cũng là để ủng hộ Tổng thống Donald Trump và những cái bản trong Pence Keep America Great. Bộ áo quần rất là đẹp.
That are in contact with our neighbors and our neighbor's neighbor. We're the ones that are in the communities and neighborhoods that have the ability. However, I'm a Republican. The reason I don't condemn or criticize is because my goal every single day is to win as many Democrats to the Republican Party as I possibly can. Every single day. That's how we win our country. Just maybe. I share that with you because pretty soon
are a
we
role
share my
model.
story of how I became
The lady
as a vice president of an NAACP. If God wanted me there, He would have put me there. But I'm an American. I just thought I'd get that straight, okay? I'm just an American. Are you working me already? Being an American is so. I'm so proud to be an American. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Your parents said, don't go over there. And I get that, I understand that. I wish maybe growing up
được tổ chức bởi Jefferson County, tức là quận hạt của Jefferson, một nơi nằm gần ở dưới biển đó quý vị. Và quý vị cũng đã biết là trong những ngày tháng vừa qua đó là tất cả người dân đều ủng hộ Tổng thống Trump từ ở trên bờ cho tới xuống dưới nước. Và mong là quý vị sẽ tiếp tục theo dõi những hình ảnh này của phóng viên Thành Thảo. Các bạn thấy đó, người nước ngoài rất là thích chụp với những chiếc áo dài Việt Nam. Hi, what's your name please? Hi, Kathy. Yeah. Why you come here today?
Oh, I had a great time. I feel like President Trump is the next one to come, and we need 4 more years. We love President Trump. Go Trump.
Yes, thank you.
That's the President Trump.
How about you?
Well, my name is August, and President Trump is the best president in my life we've ever had.
Wow, yes, yeah, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
You see, beautiful. Hi, what's your name, please?
My name's Summer.
Why you come here?
I came here because I just turned 18 a couple months ago, and it's really important for me to support President Trump because I love how much he keeps his promises and how he's a man of God. Religion's a huge thing for me, and I love to support a president that wants to keep God in our country and keep protecting God's land. So, yeah.
Thank
So
you.
Trump supporter because what haven't our president done for us? First of all, I'm a Latina supporter. Second of all, I'm a woman supporter. And third of all, he is just done everything to empower women all around the world. So we just thank God for him and we bless him. And I see our press wearing a gorgeous outfit and just love her outfit, and so glad that we could all come together from every nationality to support our president.
Thank you. We appreciate.
Okay.
Everything he campaigned on in 2015, 2016, before he got elected, he's done everything he said he was going to do. He's done, and much more. Trustworthy. He's a man who can. He's a builder. He's rebuilding our nation a second time, our economy. He's uniting us. I've never seen such enthusiasm, love, and support for a president ever before. Went to a car parade earlier on the beach, just found a bunch of people, found this today. It's an amazing thing. So he's getting us, he's woken us up to participate more, to have our voices heard again. That it is we the people. So
Thank you.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
we support him too.
For Jesus, but that's who I am. And so there was a struggle, and what happened is that about 7 years ago, I was at an event. There's about 800 people speaking, and it was an NAACP event, and there were 2 white people there. Began to give me a leadership mentality. I didn't know what was going on. I had no idea he would bring me to this point. And so going up and down, I've been a millionaire twice, I've been broke 3 times. I hope you get that. But it's okay. I began to escalate very high in the NAACP, and I became the vice president for the NAACP. Now here's the problem with that. There was always a struggle between my heart and my head. You to believe it. And so coming out of prison, I'm going to shorten it up, okay? I don't want to hold you guys forever. You guys okay with that? I'll tell you what. I have never met. You guys have heard of the law of attraction, right? But God taught me the law of subtraction first. I had to subtract some wrong people in maturity. I've always been a conservative. But in my head, I'm even hand me out. I'm not a victim. I don't need you to give me anything. All I need is an opportunity, and I'll go get it for myself. In 1986, growing up in Grand Prairie, Texas, I lived in a very toxic household where my parents fought all the time. And my father had an anger problem. Now, please be understandable when I share this with you.
Và phải biết.
Hi, what's your name, please?
Eli Salceda.
Yeah, why do you support president?
Well, I support President Trump because he wants to make America great, and he wants to have the same future I had for my son. So I'm ready to vote for him again, and hopefully Donald Trump Jr. runs for president too. So yes, that's the reason why I want to vote for him again.
Thưa nhà báo Thạch Thảo, tôi là Hùng Hứa, cư dân của thành phố Hiệu Tinh và là người Việt tị nạn cộng sản. Từ năm 1977 tôi đã có mặt tại những cái xứ sở vĩ đại này, và chúng ta trốn chạy cộng sản, trốn chạy cái sự độc tài, độc đoán của chế độ miền Bắc. Thành ra tôi qua ngày hôm nay, con gái tôi ở đây và bà con của tôi ở đây, chúng tôi đang tranh đấu cho một cái đất nước tự do thực sự, có một cái sự công bằng, công lý cho đất nước này. Chúng tôi không thể chấp nhận những cái trò mỹ dân của cái đảng Dân Chủ đang quậy phá, đang làm đảo lộn cả xã hội này. Thì tôi mong rằng mọi người cùng với chúng ta không vì cuồng Trump mà chúng ta bầu cho Trump vì lẽ phải, bầu cho Trump vì lý trí, bầu cho Trump vì cái tâm của mình. Thì mong rằng mọi người cùng với chúng tôi ngày 3 tháng 11 này hãy cùng nhau ra phòng phiếu, bỏ phiếu bằng tay, không bỏ phiếu bằng mail. Please, and all for Republican and Donald Trump.
Thank you.